2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun Size Adventures. I'm Jeff.
And this is Ethan.
And we are here today. We're going to be unboxing this NinjaSafe climbing holds.
Ooh.
These are going to be ratchet straps that you strap around a tree so you can put rock climbing holds on it and climb trees. Now, I've been climbing trees since I was a little kid. I can remember one story, I think I was like 14 or so, and me and my brother and some of our friends were playing a game of extreme hide and go seek down the woods near our house. And I climbed up to the top of this tree. It was probably like 40, 50 feet in the air on branches like that big around. My friends were climbing up behind me. It was basically a game of chicken to see if they could get high enough to either snap the tree and kill us, or if I would surrender, or if they would tag me. Those were the three things, and eventually I think we gave up because the tree almost did snap and we almost plummeted to our doom. That is not the type of tree climbing we're going to be doing with this. This is going to be a much more safe way. These are going to be much more stronger attached to the tree, I assume, than holding out the little tiny branches. But without further ado, let's see what's in the box. All right, we got our big knife. You want to do the honors, Ethan?
Yeah.
Boom. Okay.
Yo.
What do we got? Whoa, guys, look at this. Look at how many there are. Boom. This is like Christmas all over again. This nice big travel bag to put everything in.
7, 8,
Count them up.
9. And 20.
20. All right, so we've got 20 holes. Looks like half are black and half are red, which is a nice touch.
Man,
And
the
then
red look pretty.
what do we got? 4 black ratchets, 3 red. I like how everything's color coordinated with this NinjaSafe stuff with the red and black. Another thing I wanted to see is what kind of variety did we have in the holds? Because obviously you can see these two are the same, but you could mix them up by like putting one of them on backwards to make it different. But let's see, is there different? All right, that's a different design. That one's different too. That one, yeah. Seems like there's at least 4 or 5 different molds. So that's good, they're not all gonna be the same. Like it's shown in the picture here, you take the ratchet straps, put them through the holes there, and you then ratchet strap it tight to the tree. And you could put several ratchet straps going up so that you have, basically make a little rock wall going up the tree. And I'm sure that you could use these with screw, if you wanted to screw these in. You could probably get some sort of lag bolts and put them into something if you wanted to build like some sort of other rock wall. But we are going to try to use this for the intended purpose. How about we throw everything in the bag?
I had a question. With these, you can get them if you want to, and they're really good, and they say Fun Size Adventure.
Yeah. All right. Let's throw this stuff in the bag. None of that actually went in the bag.
Okay. Stop.
Hand that to me, Mai. There we go. All right, everything is in the bag now. Cinch it up, put it on my back.
And put the knife on my shirt.
All right, now let's head out into the yard and see if we can set this up. Let's go. Nah, not today. Okay, guys. It's too cold. We're not doing it now. There's snow, there's rain. It's not a good situation outside. But when we do set it up, we will make a review and setup video. Please stop with the knife. We will be sure to do a full review of this in the future once the weather gets better. And when we do, that video will be right up here. Until then, I'll put another video that you might find interesting. What are they gonna do, Ethan?
Go out there and have a Fun Size Adventures of your own.
Oh yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Oh yeah, there's instructions here too. I didn't even see those before. All right, let's just take that part from the top.